Let me tell you, anybody can restore a tractor. Anybody that's standing out here can restore a tractor. Nobody can make one original like that. Okay, and it's your personal preference. You're going to be the person spending the money on it, but I would beg you not to restore that tractor. You take it home, you rub some linseed oil on it, you get the rust away, you look at those decals, you look at that pinstriping, and you keep it just like that, and you will have a unique tractor forever. That is a fabulous, fabulous piece. You can still see the decals on it, still see all the pinstriping. It's a great tractor in great shape, and somebody's going to own it here today. On the 2035. Hey, look at there. She's all original, folks. All original. Give me $20,000 on it. $20,000 and 20,000 bid. 20. Give me 5,000 to start the tractor. 5,000 other here and 5,000 here. 5,000 bid. $4,000 down. 5,000 other bid. 5 down. $6,000 bill. 5,000 here. Down. $6,000. 5,000 on the internet. Now $6,000 bill. Now $6,000 bid. Now 6 down. 6 down. 6 down. 6 down. 6 6 7,000. 7,000 bid, 7,000 bid, 776 here now, $7,000, 7,000 bid now, 7 6 here now, $7,000 bid now, 7,000 bid now, 7,776 here now, $7,000 now, 7,000 here now, 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 $8,000 now, 8,000 bid, 8,000 bid, I'll take 7,500, 7,500 now, 5 5 5 75 7,500, $7,500 now, 5 $8,000 here now, 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 $8,000 now, 8 now, 8,500 now, 5 85 8,500 down, 5 5 5 85 85 85 85 8,500 down, 5 8,500 down, 5 5 5 85 85 85 down, $9,000 bill now, 9 new man in the race down, $9,000 here. 8,500 here down, $9,000 down, $9 down, 9 down, 9 down, 9 down, 9 85 9 here down, 9,500 down, 5 9,500 down, 5 down, $10,000 here down, 10 down, 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 take it over the hump down, 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 it'll go south of the Mason Dixon, 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 got $10,000 here down, 10 5 $10,000 here down, 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 I'll take 10 5 and 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 down. I wouldn't do it to him either. Now 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 10 5 bid $10,000 here now, 10 5 $10,000 here now, 10 5 10 5 10 5 to go, 10 5 10 5 sold it to him, $10,000 right there, and the train